we're going to set up a multi-camera sequence. If you're here, you probably already know why we would do this. So I'm going to drag my media in here. It's got screen recording, above camera, audio, and we're going to highlight everything, right-click, synchronize, hit OK, select audio. We're going to synchronize using the audio. And we're going to trim this at the beginning, delete, bring it back here. This is the audio track I'm going to use, so we're going to delete this other stuff. We're going to highlight only the video tracks, not the audio track. We're going to nest it, and we're going to name it Multicam Sequence. We now have this new green track, and we're going to right-click, Multicamera, enable, and then under your program, you should, if you don't see it, you can add it here. We're going to add this to our toolbar. And if you hit this icon, you can now see all three of your cameras, and you can dictate which ones you want to use using the number keys. So we'll start here, cut here, cut here. We'll go camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. So if we click through here, you can see that this is camera 1, camera 2, and camera 3. Benefits to this would be you can go into the multicam, the original, and you can color grade. Say we want this screen to be ridiculously red. If you come back to your master, your color grade is applied to that track. If you add this multi-camera record button, you can watch it and cut it live. You hit record, hit spacebar to play, and as it's playing, you can cut. Okay, we're going to cut to camera 2, cut to camera 3, cut back to camera 1, stop it, and you can see that these cuts were made. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. This is good for interviews, live performances, something like this with multiple cameras of the same thing. Good luck.